Monday, week 13, and I'm out on a quick 2-mile recovery run from yesterday's 14-miler, and honestly, with these barefoot shoes, feet are a bit sore after yesterday. All part of the conditioning, I guess. So I was supposed to be taking it easy, but it's quite hilly around here, and it's also quite cold, so it's maybe not as easy as it was supposed to be. But it's only 2 miles, so I'll be back home soon, warm shower, and a spot of lunch. Woo! Today we're doing an easy 6 miles, 60 minutes. I wasn't thinking miles, minutes. Easy 60 minutes. So I've just run straight down the hill to here, Cove Harbour, or as the chap that owns it prefers, Dunglass Harbour. I don't know why he prefers that, but he seems to. And here it is, Cove Harbour. And that wee building over there, I'm pretty sure, despite the fact that St Abs likes to claim that it's New Asgard, I believe over there was actually Thor's house. So we're not actually at St Abs, obviously, we're at Cove. Not far from Hutton's Unconformity and other geological wonders. But that's it for me. I think time to head back. I mean, if you want to look at geological oddities, we come over to the sea wall over here, we'll see. It's not an oddity, but I just quite like it. I think the tide's out, so we should be able to see it. Lots of wind, obviously, as always. Look at these ridges. I do like the ridges. Look at that. I do like the ridges. Anyway, head back. Not quite half an hour, but we're near enough. 28 minutes. But I've got to climb back up the hill, and it's uphill literally the whole way. So, woo! Go me. Onward. Look at that. Can you see it? The clouds rolling in over the hill. It's a crazy temperature inversion going on over there. Madness. And over here as well. It's Friday and it's been relatively warm today, and it's quite sunny as well. The sun's gone down now though, and I'm just heading out for my run, and yeah, the temperature's come down. You can feel it, cold and damp all of a sudden, and those clouds, quite spectacular in a strangely damp and cold way. Yeah.